Hello friends, welcome back to your channel Home Style Creation. I would like to wish you all a very happy new year. So in today's video, I would be showing you how I have organized my bedside table. I would be taking you around to my master bedroom as well as to my kids' room as well. So you will see how I have used the drawer the way I wanted, and in the similar way you can also organize your bedside table and organize the item that you really want when you are on the bed. So let's get started. This how my bedside table looks like. It has three drawers. I try to keep everything inside my drawer so that it become very easy. So let's see what's there in the first drawer. I have tried and made use of reuse item to organize my drawer. This was a small transparent tray which I got from one of the gift hampers. So I'm trying to use it to keep all my jewelries in it. I always keep a pair of headphones with me. My Volani spray. Since it's a winter time, I try to keep one body lotion, one hand cream. This is my night cream. I always keep one pen and one diary with me. There are times when we are sitting and we wish to write something or want to note down something which we tend to forget. A goggle which I normally keep here and I carry when I'm going out. My card holder. This was actually a chocolate box that I got. So I have tried and made use of it. I try to keep my medicine in it, which I take on everyday basis. With the help of this basket, I have tried to keep all my other items like my morning medicine, my balm, my foot cream, a tape, my clutcher, thermometer, nail cutter. These small items I have kept in this drawer. So this how my first drawer is. I have kept the items that are mostly required by me. Now let's go to the second drawer. The second drawer I have also tried to keep it very simple. I have used this basket. Pair of extra headphone. I try and keep a pencil lead with me because it tend to throw the pencil lead. This is a wheat remover, razor remover. My facial mask that I have, I applied this in the evening or whenever I am free. A striped wax, a bag. This is another chocolate box, as you can see, and in this I have stored all my medicine that me and my husband use. So we buy a stock of it for entire month and store it. So now let's see the third drawer. A third drawer is like a hardware drawer in which we keep our day-to-day hardware products. Like you can see hammer, screwdriver, black tape, cutter, some nuts, bolts. In this reuse box which I got it long time back with some hamper, extension cord, and again in this basket I keep the other hardware small item like screws, tape. This is a big tape that we got while we were shifting, so the person left it over here, so I'm using it. Pins. These are some extra pair of laces that I keep for my son. These are some eco-friendly bags that I have kept. They might come in use sometime. So this how my drawer look like in the morning, absolutely neat and clean. In the evening I try and keep my water bottle over here. Now let's see my kids' bedroom. In the first drawer I have kept it very simple for my son. Firstly, I have tried and made use of this anti-slip mat which look very beautiful and they do a very good role. There are different types of goggles which are kept over here. A comb, a baby cream which he applies on everyday basis since it's a winter time. In the second drawer, I have tried and maintained all his craft item. It could be his sketch pens, his painting colors, colorful tapes if I talk about, different style of fun colors, sketch pen colors, glue stick. With the help of small baskets, I have tried and organized this drawer. Now let's see the last drawer. In this drawer, you won't imagine it, I have made use of so many reused boxes. This is a box that is, in this I have kept some paper. This is a mobile cover box. This is a shaving box in which I have kept all my wires, old phone chargers, old headphones. This is my husband's business cards. Another box in which I have stored some item or the other. Let me show you one. This is a clock box. I have tried and kept all the pins in this. All is there in one place. So basically these items are mostly used by my husband. So he wanted me to keep it in one place and wanted me to make use of reuse items. So this how my son bedside table look like. In the night, this is a lamp that glow all the night. It's a charger lamp. It's give a good glow to my son bedrooms. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and this will help you to also organize your bedside table. So don't forget to share your ideas and views. How did you like my video and how do you guys organize your bedside table? Also, if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, hit the bell icon to get my videos updates on regular basis, and also please share it with your friends and families. Till then, take care.